Dagi hajar-hajar ngot ki Paidbah napo East Jaintia District kila mi Paidbah manta kasni man persya ya ke Jingmih ki cook factory hakate ke district kumami kitit kini Paidbah kila ya ki serok jong kate ke district apo ke jinyalam juga komiti kabaile man tengkai ya ke mariang hakate ke caka la iba kini ke Jingmih Paidbah lami neruk kilong kemi kilong ma bot hadu ki kena arin ru mandawa nak sarkar bagadiban khangno chisendan ya ki cook factory maka Jingmih bun jongki kawara ya ke Pyniap pat jongki Paidbah hakate ke than
temu rubuk cook factory dari lembah yang ukon depan siap penap pada dami cina yang cook factory pada ya
just kidney and so many other sites. I request the government to close these cook factories inside our areas, and at the same time I request the owner of the cook factories to think about the future of your child. I mean, what's the point of you giving your child the riches and wealth, meanwhile they do not have the wealth they deserve for. I also thank the ECC committee for leading us the way until now, and may God lead them the way to move forward. Long live. Thank you.